Hello everyone. In this session, I'm going to guide you through the process of creating a Spring MVC project step by step. Let's get started. Step 1 first, open your IDE and click on New Project. Step 2, next, select the category Java with Java Web. Step 3, now choose Web Application as your project type. Step 4, click on Next to continue. Step 5, enter your project name. Step 7, select the server for your project. Step 9, from the available frameworks, select Spring Web MVC. Step 10, then, move to the configuration section. Step 11, set the dispatcher mapping as star.com. Step 12, also, make sure to select Include JSTL. Step 13, finally, click on Finish. Your project is ready and all set to go. Now, we'll take a look at some important configuration settings. Remove unnecessary code blocks from the DispatcherServlet. Now, let's add MVC annotation-driven / and context component scan / in our DispatcherServlet.xml. The annotation-driven tag enables support for annotations like @controller, @service, @repository, and @bean, while the component scan tag tells Spring where to look for our controllers and components. We define the base package name as CodeWithScooby to organize our application structure. Now, let's create a base package inside the source packages folder with the same name as we defined in our configuration, that is CodeWithScooby. Inside the CodeWithScooby base package, let's now create a subpackage named controller where we will place all our controller classes. Now, inside the controller package, create a new Java class named MyController. This class will handle our incoming web requests. Annotated with @controller so that Spring recognizes it as a web controller. Now we'll give the @request mapping annotation the value accountmaster.com, which is the same as our redirect.jsp page, so that the request is mapped correctly when accessed. Now let's create a function loadIndex page inside MyController, which will return index.jsp when accessed. Now we will run the project to see how our mappings work. The project runs successfully and the index.jsp page was displayed in the browser. To verify, we modified the content of the index.jsp page and reran the project. The updated content was successfully displayed in the browser. Now we added the navbar code into the index.jsp file. After saving the changes and rerunning the project, we checked the browser and confirmed that the navbar UI is displayed successfully on the index page. The navbar source code is available on GitHub, and the repository link is provided in the description. The navbar code rendered successfully on the index page after integration. This is how we create a Spring MVC project and successfully run it with an index page in navbar. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more.